Hello everyone. So I will just be installing some 2-strand twists. I will be using the Silky Hydration Twisting Buttercream. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Also, if you're interested in purchasing, you can visit ravenmariebeauty.com where you will find different types of butters, creams, shampoos, scrubs, conditioners, masks. And quick reminder that July 31st is the last day for the free shipping. We will be adding more inventory soon, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. If you like watching these installs, stay tuned for the finished look.